Hi guys, I'm in my workroom and I've just had a delivery from Ikea and Lewis is putting up my pegboard. So I'll swivel you round and then you can see what I got. Right, as you can see I've got this for hanging like ribbons and tapes on. I've got 2 of those. I've got some shelves. I've got these little drawer things that are see-through. I've got 6 of those. I've got these little pots as well. I've got some hooks. And I've got 2 of these boards, which Lewis is putting up there. So I can have side by side. And then as the room gets bigger, because at the moment I've got a cot in here, so once the cot goes, I might put more boards along here and move that shelf. But at the moment I'm going to start off with those 2. Lewis is busy fixing. He's not sure if he's about to hit a light switch wire from the other room.
I think I'm all right on this one.
You think he's all right? He thinks he's all right on this one now. So.
Put a short screw in this one.
Ah, because he doesn't want to go for any wires. If it all goes dark, he's gone through some wires. Only joking. Were you worried though, Liz?
No, not really, no.
What, would it have sparked and sent you flying across the room if it had actually gone out?
I've done electrical work. I know what's...
Oh, right, okay.
I've worked with my son and he is the champion of...
drilling through wires.
Drilling through wires, yeah. When we're on jobs, so... That and water pipes. You like a water pipe or 2 buried in the ceiling when you're putting downlighters in there. Well, I think you can hang a car engine off that, so...
Well, it's only going to be
a few bits of paper and...
scissors and bits of cotton and that. Ribbon.
I won't put that up, yeah, I'll put this on the bracket.
So, well, you don't know how far apart, do you? Or are you going to need me to help you? Does it say in the book?
No. I'll put this up. I might be able to get the level behind there
and do it.
How does this go up? Just on these things?
Yeah, spacer. So 2 spacers. The spacers must be for the bottom, to keep it away from the wall at the bottom.
That keeps it away from the wall at the
bottom. Yeah.
Right.
And then 4 screws.
2.
2 for the top and 2 for the spacers at the bottom.
Oh right, I'm with you now.
Yeah.
Imagine as well, obviously, if you need to use that, you can move it.
Yeah.
So if you need to hook something,
hook something on it, I can move it into a different place.
Move that
yeah.
To the next. Once you've got it all pegged out, you'll have to move this. It can go within reason in this
area.
In this area. Jesus.
Getting hot.
I love these things.
Don't worry, I didn't get your chest.
level don't fit down the back here now. No. It's sitting on top of, it doesn't matter, does it? Because it's sitting on top of that.
Mm.
You don't want them that close, do you?
I want them touching.
You don't want them touching?
I do want them touching.
Why?
Well, because that's how you have it. That's what it shows, so it looks like one. But that's why they've got the adjustability.
This is the point where they're nowhere near each other.
It's looking good.
They're not identical.
It's getting dark outside. Put the chickens away. That's great. Right, the boards are up, and now I'm going to put some of the holders that I got up. Right, I'm not sure where everything's going at the moment, so I'll just put it up and then it'll get moved around. I've got 6 of these in their little drawers, and obviously they're see-through, so whatever you put in, you can see what you got in there. And I was just going to hook them along the bottom here, if I can figure out. Oh, I see. There you go. That's that. There's one. That goes in there like that. And then another. And then I've got one more, but it's dropped down the back there. Now I've got one more, so I think I'll probably put that here. Yeah. And I can go in there like that. And then I've got space again, is it? Oh yeah. So. We've got 2 of those, And I've got these trays, and what I was surprised about is they're all metal, these things. All metal, not plastic. So that's quite cool. And I've got 4 of these. So, yeah. I will be moving things around because I'm not sure where it's all going at the moment. But, this one can come. And then like I say, obviously I'll have to move this around. See what's good for where. I think probably these are best over here. So I might move these over here. These things. Don't know what these are. I'll use these for yet. But we'll put them there for now. Shall we know? There. Right, so that's all of it on. I will be moving it about as I know where I'm putting what. But I'm pleased with that. And I'll show you when I've got all my stuff on there. I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so there we are. I've got stickers there. I've got a swivel knife. I've got some pliers and my paper creases there. I got some post-it things which are great for holding, sort of marking pages in a book. I've got some small elastic bands, some little tapes, glue sticks, and these glue things, tape, cutters, scissors, and pencils, and some ribbons and that. And this is still empty and these are empty, so I might get some more of these because they're cool. So we'll see, but it's looking good. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.